my sunshine. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to do paragraph writing. Yes, we did it yesterday. Yes, we did paragraph writing on myself, and today again we are going to do paragraph writing. But we are not going to do paragraph writing on myself. Today we will do paragraph writing on my school.
Okay, children. So we will take a new page and we will write today's date. Today is 16.3.2121, and here we will write my school. Yes, because we are going to write a paragraph on my school, and here we will write our name and class. Yes, you all remember we write our name and class on the right hand side, right? Now we will start. First we will start with the name of our school. You all know the name. The name of my school is, and I told you the trick last time. मैंने आपको बताया था ना क्या ट्रिक है. हमको कहाँ से कॉपी करना है? यहाँ से. आपकी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक पे नाम लिखा हुआ है ना, एल्कॉन पब्लिक स्कूल. यहाँ से आप कॉपी कर सकते हैं. सो ये ट्रिक है. यहाँ से आप इतना बड़ा नाम कॉपी कर सकते हैं. द नेम ऑफ माई स्कूल इज एल्कॉन पब्लिक and don't forget to do the dot on your I. अपनी I के ऊपर डॉट डालना भूलना नहीं. स्कूल, एल्कॉन पब्लिक स्कूल. और कहाँ पे है आपका स्कूल? यस, वेयर इज योर स्कूल? इट इज इन, ये भी यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. सी, मयूर विहार फेज 1 दिल्ली 91. पर हम इसको छोटा कर देंगे. हम लिखेंगे मयूर विहार दिल्ली. राइट? सो वी विल राइट इट इज इन. ये भी हम यहाँ से देख के लिख लेंगे. राइट? वी विल सी इट फ्रॉम हियर. मयूर विहार, क्योंकि दिल्ली तो बहुत बड़ा है ना, तो दिल्ली में कहाँ पे है आपका स्कूल? आपका स्कूल मयूर विहार में है. इट इज इन मयूर विहार. सो इट इज इन मयूर विहार दिल्ली. नाउ आपके स्कूल में कितनी बिल्डिंग्स हैं? देयर आर 2 big buildings. Yes, so you will write it has 2 big. Yes, there are 2 big buildings in your school. 2 big buildings. So your school has 2 big buildings, right? It has 2 big buildings. और आपके स्कूल में कितने बच्चे? हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी टीचर्स? सो मेनी. यस, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. राइट? सो वी विल राइट देयर आर many children there are many children and teachers. Yes, teachers भी तो हैं. There are so many teachers. So there are many children and teachers in my school. Okay, so and your school has got many classrooms also. Yes, so you will write my school has many class rooms. And in the end we'll write I love my school. Children, you can add more sentences if you like to this. You can even add that there are 2 big playgrounds in your school, then there is a music room in your school, there is an art room in your school, and even you can mention that there in the playground there are swings and slides. Yes, so you can make, if you want to make your paragraph even longer, अगर आप इसको और लंबा करना चाहते हैं, you can add more sentences. I have written these many, so let's read them once more. The name of my school is Alcon Public School. It is in Mayur Vihar, Delhi. It has 2 big buildings. There are many children and teachers in my school. My school has many classrooms. I love my school. So that's it. So now what we are going to do? Yes. So you remember, we are going to draw a picture of my school on this page. And we will make a very simple picture. So we all know how to make sleeping lines and standing lines, and that's what we are going to do. So first you make these 2 sleeping lines, and on this red margin only you make a standing line here and a standing line this side. So 2 standing lines and another sleeping line. This is one main big building, and behind the big building we will make the second building. Okay, so here is our second building. So this will also come here, this side. This is, this we can see from behind. So this is at the back side of the big building. So this is our school, and here we make another sleeping line like this, and one more. The trick is, ये जो स्लीपिंग लाइंस है ना आपके पेज के ऊपर, इसी के ऊपर अपनी स्लीपिंग लाइंस बना दो. सो यू डोंट नीड अ स्केल और एनीथिंग, बट इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ विथ अ स्केल, you can draw with a scale also, with a ruler. Okay, so now here we will make the windows. Yes, the building has got windows, so we will make windows in the building, right? We will make our windows. These are the windows. On this side also we will make the windows. इसको अगर आप और थोड़ा इंट्रिकेट बनाना चाहते हैं तो इसमें थोड़े ऐसे लाइंस डाल दीजिए. यू कैन मेक लाइंस लाइक दिस, राइट? ऐसे लाइंस बना दीजिए. So, and on this main building, we are going to make our door. Yes. And here we will also make windows. Okay, so our school is ready. So if you want, इसको थोड़ा सा और अगर आप beautiful करना चाहते हैं, you want to make it more beautiful, then you can make clouds and a sun, a smiling sun. Yes, and here we can make a garden, and here we can make our garden with grass, right? So our drawing is ready. So now you will color this drawing, this page with the drawing of your school and post it to your ma'am, right? Bye for now.